At Normal Park, we believe that learning should not be bound by the front and back covers of a textbook or the four walls of our building. We did a lot of thinking to figure out what is a museum magnet school. Every week, our students go to a museum or on some type of learning expedition. That's where the learning really comes to life. As a museum school, we're connected with 7 museums. We have a contract with the museums, which basically gives us unlimited access on a certain day of the week. Every student has a museum passport, so they can go for free back to the museums on the weekends or in the evenings. And then the museum educators plan with our teachers once each quarter. We really try to figure out how we can enhance the content learning that's going on in the classroom by teaching art concepts at the same time. We opened the school in 2002, and in 2005 we were named the top magnet school in the nation by Magnet Schools of America. We've received the John F. Kennedy School of Distinction in Arts Education, which is a national award. And we've been designated as a state reward school in Tennessee for having some of the highest test scores in the state. The Normal Park Way is basically a list of strategies that we use that every one of the faculty agrees these things are best practices for students. So it includes exhibit building, planning with understanding by design, guided reading, teaching problem solving in math using the Singapore math model drawing approach. It includes collaboration and organization. The 2 keys to our success as a school in our transformation and then our ongoing success in terms of student achievement are 1, that I hire the best possible teachers, and 2, that there's this consistency of instructional program. That what happens in a 1st grade classroom happens in a 3rd grade classroom and happens in a 7th grade classroom. Our whole curriculum for science and social studies is organized into 9-week blocks that we refer to as modules. To plan those modules, we use understanding by design. Some people often refer to this as backward planning. We first think about the big ideas. What do students have to know and be able to do? And then what are the big understandings that can carry over from one content area to another? So for example, where you live affects how you live. Then they look at how are we going to assess that? For us at a museum magnet school, those assessments are our exhibits and also the travel journals. Every 9 weeks, the whole school turns into a museum. The halls will be filled with parents and children who are all here to celebrate what their children have accomplished in the past 9 weeks. The students writing, the students problem solving, the students thinking, and it really is a great way for students to share their learning with their parents.